Dear friends, I am going to teach here about PDS Framework Plus. This is my first video and this is my first tutorial about PDS Framework Plus. How to learn PDS Framework Plus in 30 minutes. This PDS Framework Plus is used for civil and structural 3D modeling, steel, concrete, underground utilities. First, I am just teaching you about the basics and how to model in 30 minutes. Now we will go to the model. Here, this is the PDS Framework Plus toolbar. Here you can see the tools, main toolbar. This main menu will give you these tools. This is a PDS Framework Plus main toolbar. For, here I am going to model a small structure. Here I am going to model the small structure with the foundations. You can see first we need to create the views in this toolbar. This is a view toolbar I'm getting from this main bar. This is create view, set view, drop view, fit view, freeze view, modify view, and delete view, override annotation, and override double line widget. First, I'm going to create the views. First, I'm creating the by clicking the create view, you'll get this dialog box. Then file load, new standard ISO. I'm just creating. I'm selecting the isometric new standard ISO. Then drawing scale. I'm clicking 1:100. Apply. Apply. Without closing this, you can create so many views, whatever views you want. I'm going to create a file, load, plan view, new plan. Uh, First, I want in 100 elevation. Okay, it is 100. I'm setting the scale 1 is to 100. Click apply. Click the window. It will change here. I want to create 3 or 4 more views. Now I am changing here 101 and I am pressing the up arrow. It will change the levels here. I'm clicking apply. Up here, select this window. Next, I am creating one more level 102.5. Pressing up arrow, it will change here. Apply, select this window. Okay, now I am going to set the view. Next view, after creation, you can see the dialog box here. This is set tool, set view toolbar. Now I am setting this to, I am selecting isometric view, set. I am clicking this window, window 1. When you are closing the PDS model, you should set first view will be isometric view by default and exit the PDS while closing. Why we are setting this first window will be isometric means this is for the Navy's purpose or SPR purpose. So when they are running the Navy's file review file, so it will take the this first window only, or if you attach reference file, so first window will be isometric is better. Now I am setting the 100 level to view 2. Okay. Now next step, we are going to create a grid view grids. Place plan grids. I'm just dragging this grid toolbar. You can see place plan grid, elevation grid, copy grid, edit label, edit grid label, delete grid line, delete grid. So now we are going to create the grids here. You will get this dialog box. You can see here horizontal, vertical. Here also we have this file load option. I'm going to create for 1:100 level. This means if you select this option, so all I think text height will be same. No need to create anything. Okay, horizontal lines. Horizontal lines means this side, these lines. You can click and change a vertical line, this line. So we need to set both the spacings. First, I'm setting the horizontal lines. I'm going to create three number of lines. Spacing will be 6 meter. Okay. Horizontal lines and grid labels will be on left hand. Now I'm going to set vertical lines. Vertical lines I'm going to create only two lines with 5 meter spacing. That's it. After pressing the value, you should press up arrow or down arrow. It will come here. Now I'm going to apply on this window, plan view. See how the grids came correctly. I'm just clicking OK. I'm exiting. Next, I'm just setting this window. Set in this first window. You can see the grids. I want to copy the grid for another two levels. This 101. This one. Select this copy grid. Select this grid. Left button. Accept. You can see here what it is telling next step. Select target view for the grid. I am selecting this view, so the grids will come here. You can see the bubbles are not coming here. So go to this, click here, select level display. You can see some levels may be switched off, all on, apply, all, maybe. Okay, here we are not copied the labels. See, we are not copied the labels. So I am deleting this grid from this view. Now I am copying again by selecting this and this. Now select this grid, accept. I am placing on this view. You can see. So with the grid lines, grid bubbles, everything it came. So I'm going to set for another level. Same copy grid. I'm selecting here, accept, and placing this view. Okay. Now I'm going to set the isometric view in this first window. Sorry. See, first we will model the structure. Then we will model the foundation. So here, go to next toolbar. This one. This will be a place member. So now what we have done, we have created the views, we set the views, we created grid lines, we copy the grid lines to other elevations, other levels. Next step is we are going to place the members. See, this is the place column option. Here, this is place beam. First we need to place a column. I am starting from the 100 level to 102.5 level. So here this bottom line is 100. Okay, and top will be 102.5. So this will come here. See, you can you are getting the numbers like this, no? 100 is to 0 is to 0. Many of them are don't know how to change this one. Now I am going to change this setting. Go to settings, design file. This coordinate readout will be there. Here, instead of working units, you should change to master units. That's it. Click OK. Now you can see here. You can see here 100, 102.5 came. It came, no? Right. Now I am selecting the column. I am setting the bottom level and top level. Before that, we need to select the member. What is the column size? Well, like that. Go to settings, member, attributes. Settings, member, attributes. Go to select this one. Here you can select user or anything. I'm going to from selecting from the standard UC. If you want, you can type here UC 254. I'm just typing. It will come here. I'm selecting this one. Now I am placing this column. If you go here, some auto snap will be coming. So you're not getting the auto snap. Go to settings, auto snap. You can see it is okay. It is there all the elevations. So it will display here on the grid. Sometimes if it is not displaying, just I am selecting one grid manually, intersection. Next grid it will show automatically. This is auto snap. You can place auto snap and click the right click and exit. Okay. Now you can see in the isometric view. So now we place the members columns. Next we are going to place a beam. So 102.5 is the top elevation. So I am setting this level here. You can see here 102.5. Now we are going to place the beam. We are going to place the place member beam. Select the beam. US elevation should be 00 only. Don't change anything. Settings, member attributes. Settings, member attributes. I am selecting the. You see, okay, same profile I am selecting. Okay, 254. I'm just going here. Again, intersection. Next one, it will come auto snap. You can go up. You can go up. Reject. Again, you come here. This one here, here. Okay. Auto snap will display. So I am just press right click. It will come out. Now you move and close all these things. Okay. Now you can see the structure here in isometric view. Okay. So we place a column, we place a beam. Now I need to model the base plate here. Window tile 1 2. So now for placing the base plate we need to set the bottom elevation in this side. I am going to set this under level setting here. We need to model in slab only. So this is a slab. Place solids toolbar. I'm setting the slab length width. It's a 250. So I'm giving up. It's all units are in meters. So we need to model in 350.35. 0.025. I'm just giving 50-50 clearance. So face will be top face, bottom face. It will show here. This will be a center justification. Now you can see I'm setting this view to front view. I'm seeing the elevation, how it is coming correctly or not. So I'm going to place on this elevation, this level. I'm just clicking the intersection. Accept. Accept. So I placed for 2 locations. Now I am checking by display depth. So it came correctly. You can see the base plates came correctly. So now what I am going to do, I am going to copy for other 2 grids. I am just selecting this by window. You can see here 2 objects is selected. Now we are going to this copy toolbar and just dragging this manipulate. Copy toolbar. If you select this one, copy the 2 elements in the selection set. Yes, okay. It will ask for the load copy all releases, copy all supports, copy all holes, copy code or copy additional attributes, copy with member name, copy override, copy offset. See, for example, if you are given some name like BP1, BP2, you want to copy with the naming. If you click this, it will come with the name. Any other additional attributes, select this one. If you want to override, so you can copy override, you can select. Now I'm going to copy with member name only. I'm just selected this two. I tick this option. I'm copying now. I'm clicking on this end and I'm pressing enter. So this will come here. Again, I am copying here, moving Acudra, press enter, middle button, left button. So it came. I know the dimension, it's 6 meter. So I can copy at a single time by using here number of copies. If I given two copies, so this will copy here and here at the same time. Okay, so now we completed this column and beam. Now we are going to model the bracings, horizontal bracings. I'm going to set this top view. Click here. So I'm see, my system is very slow now. Okay, here I'm going to model this horizontal bracing. Here place beam column, this toolbar. This is the horizontal brace option. Here it is asking the TOS elevation. I am going to model in 75 lower. So I am typing here minus 0.075. Okay, I am just clicking here. So I'm placing this midpoint to this midpoint, this midpoint, always bottom to top and left to right. Here, here I'm placed. Okay, I'm just zooming. You can see. So the members came correctly. Minus 75 below. Now I want to copy this to another 6 meter. I'm just copying this. I'm clicking here. Pressing the 6 meter. So it will go to that location. So now you can see an isometric view correctly. So I have not selected the member. So it came like this. Now we are going to see the modify member. How to change this member. Here the modify section toolbar is there. You can see here modify section. Select, go here. Okay, standard. I'm changing to a L section. L8088. Okay, I'm changing here, here, here. If you click, it will change automatically. Okay, right. So next we are going to model the grating over this structure. Again, I'm going to set this top level. Um, I'm going to just place a slab. Thickness will be 0.03, 30 thick grating. Now I'm just clicking on this corner to here. Okay, that's it. So grating is done. Now you can see in the front window. So it placed here. So grating also model. Now we need to render this and we can check. Go here, rendering view attributes, select field hidden line. You can see a small structure with grating. So we have modeled in 30 minutes. Still some time is there. So we will complete the foundation also in 30 minutes. I'm just going and to 100 level. I am going to place the foundation here. First, I'm place the footing here. Footing will be 3 meter, 2.5 by 2.5 meter by 0.5 thickness. 0.5 thickness. Center. Uh, I placed. Then I'm going to place a pedestal. 0.5. It's 1.5 1 meter. Now you can see auto snap is coming. Okay. Now you can see here in front view we have modeled the footing and the pedestal. I am moving one by one below. I am select the pedestal now. I am moving to this under level. Then I am moving this footing to the below elevation. Middle button, left button, enter. Again middle button, left button. Okay, so it came here. Now footing also model. If you want grout also we can model. Now I will complete this for others grids. I'm just copying this and I'm pressing copy. So number of copies will be 2. I'm pressing here, so I'm giving 6 meter. So it is copied to other 2 sides. Now you can go to top view in this plan view, or you can select the right view. You can see now I am copying this footing again, copy. Okay, now number of copies will be 1. I am clicking here to, I am moving the cursor to right side. You can see in Akudra here you can see I'm just typing, I'm pressing that 6 meter. Okay, I'm just clicking left click. It came wrongly because I clicked some other location. No problem. No problem. I will delete this. Okay. Here you can see this delete option. So deleted. Now I'm going to copy it again. I'm setting to right view. I'm selecting this. Copy. Okay. No, you can click any location by pressing 6 meter. It will. Okay. Because this side I given only 5 meter, so that's why it's going outside. Sorry. Uh, Sorry, friends. So I'm selecting this again. I will move towards this side by 1 meter. Okay, that's why it is going outside. Now you can see in the isometric view, we have completed the foundation, we have completed the small structure, filled hidden line, or you can give by smooth shading also, Pung shading also. You can apply, you can check. Filled hidden line will be better for seeing. See how we have completed this. Okay, so this is of my first tutorial. If you want more, if you want to learn more, please subscribe and please give your comments. You support me. I'll I'll give you more videos. I can teach more. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and please reply. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Bye.